Welcome to Open House, parents. This is Open House and Virtual School. What I want to introduce you to is Schoology. Schoology is the backbone of what we do in science and talks about a lot of the things that we learn. So this is what a day for your student will look like in my class on most days. We get Mojo. We will be doing the same things on a consistent basis. So what your students will be able to do, and I actually created something that will be shared on the night. There's a family members fun folder. So if you want to experience what your students are doing in my class, here's your chance. So this looks a lot like what they see in their daily folder. So the family members fun folder, what I have right here is a quizzes link. Quizzes is what we use to start the class. Quizzes is fantastic. One, it's fun. It has memes. It's a great way to deliver information to the students. They can do as many retakes as they want to get the best score possible. They can have the questions read to them if they want the questions read to them. So what they do, they get a quizzes link, and I am going to give you guys an Avengers quizzes. So what they do, they see that they have to click it. They click it twice. The name comes up and they start. You can do read aloud, memes, sound effects, music, and I will let you guys enjoy that on your own. So also what they have to do, what we do in my class, as we navigate through Schoology, this is something that they get used to. Nearpod. Nearpod is a lot of fun. It is nice. It is the way I can deliver notes to them and embed activities for them to do. So if you want to, they've already done this Nearpod in class. We did this while we were practicing. We had a lot of practice time for getting the mojo of class, because to be successful, they got to know where they're going and know what they're doing. And we're still working that out, but we are learning as we go. So they got to double click this, and you can do the Avengers Nearpod with them. It's obviously going to be a theme of Avengers, but that is what we are doing there. And there is Gym Kit, which is a game that we do at the end of class that's kind of like a quiz show where they get all the science questions. Nearpod will give them the information. Gym Kit goes over the information with them in a game show fashion, and they love it. It is another thing. All of these things, this is good use of technology. In Hanover County Schools, we are now getting technology, and that is opening doors for our students. And instead of handwriting notes, this is the modern way to deliver education, to deliver information to the students. We also do Google slideshows and things like that. But this is a main way that they're going to see every day in class. Now, please check PowerSchool. Get a PowerSchool set up. We've passed interim time. Interims are actually old school. If you have PowerSchool on your phone, there is nothing on that interim that you shouldn't already know. I will be giving 2 extra credit assignments pretty soon via Schoology. They're extra credit, so students have the option to do them. One is they can do their own science lab. 2, they can do a Google Slides on a type of atom or element. So that is my class. Thank you for stopping in, and hopefully your students are enjoying it.